Step into a world where luxury meets vibrant color, where bathroom basins transform from mere fixtures into bold statements of style and personality. Today, we invite you on a tour of some of the most stunning, colorful, and uniquely designed basins that are redefining what it means to create a truly luxurious bathroom. These are not just basins, they're works of art that bring energy, elegance, and a touch of drama to every space they grace. Imagine a basin bathed in glossy ruby red, a color that radiates passion, confidence, and sophistication. It's a daring choice, instantly grabbing attention and making the sink area the centerpiece of any bathroom. Paired with matte black faucets and gold accents, this basin turns routine handwashing into a royal experience. Then picture a basin sculpted from iridescent glass, shimmering with hues of turquoise and purple, like the calm ocean at twilight. When the light dances across its surface, it casts playful reflections that breathe life and magic into your morning routine. Luxury isn't just about bold colors, though, it's about texture and craftsmanship. Some basins feature intricate mosaic patterns in jewel tones, emerald greens, sapphire blues, and amethyst purples, creating a kaleidoscope effect that dazzles from every angle. These mosaics are handcrafted by master artisans, each tile perfectly placed to evoke the beauty of ancient palaces and modern art galleries alike. For those who prefer something sleek and modern, polished metallic basins in rose gold, brushed brass, or shiny chrome offer a futuristic, high-end look that catches the eye without overwhelming the senses. Shape also plays a powerful role in luxury design. Fluid, organic curves soften the hardest edges, while geometric basins in hexagons, diamonds, or unexpected asymmetrical shapes challenge traditional norms. One basin looks like a giant droplet of liquid metal frozen in time, another is a perfectly carved marble bowl, translucent and glowing with soft golden veins running through it. The fusion of shape and color creates a sensory experience that is both calming and exhilarating. Materials range from rare stones and exotic woods to innovative composites and resins. Imagine a basin carved entirely from rare onyx, backlit to reveal its mesmerizing, natural striations and vibrant oranges and reds. Or a translucent resin basin embedded with delicate petals, shells, or gold leaf, turning your bathroom into a gallery of natural wonders and refined luxury. Some designers even use hand-painted ceramics with intricate floral or abstract motifs, combining